Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So, this time last year, I get so many people saying that XRP is a scam coin, it's a shit coin, but all through this bull market, I've constantly reminded you how strong XRP's remained in this bull market, regardless of the SEC and everything that's going on. Okay, so almost exactly this time last year, XRP was ranked number 7th. It is now, this on the right here, this is the historical snapshot from CoinMarketCap last year, basically. Okay, and you can see that this is the market capitalization and rankings. You can see we've got coins that are in here that are no longer in here. Chainlink's really tailed off. Polkadot's tailed off. Bitcoin Cash I think's tailed off as well. Stellar's tailed off. Uniswap, Dogecoin's still in there, I think, sitting at number 11. This here on the right, this is the last year's snapshot, and this is the current rankings just there. Okay, so you can see, Polkadot's nowhere, but XRP this time last year was priced at 54 cents. Okay, now at the moment it's priced at 78 cents. This time last year, Bitcoin was priced at $57,000. This time it's priced at $38,000. Ethereum has stood the ground. To be honest with you, it was priced at $1,935 this day last year. Currently 2,721 at the moment, and obviously Tether. I mean that's you can't get anything more stable than Tether. Basically, the third at the moment by market capitalization, sitting around $1. Okay, so Cardano was around about 110, and that's starting to drift a little bit down at 94 cents. Cardano is looking a bit weak at the moment. It does need to pick up, but again, this is a XRP video. We've got projects in here like Solana that were nowhere near in the top 10 here, and even in the top 20. Was Solana even there? It was 32. It was priced at $11. Solana met all targets in this bull run and went up to around about $200, and now retracing around about $89. And Terra as well. I don't think Terra was there. Terra number 9 at the moment, $53, was pricing at $6. So you can see that things do drop in and out. Basically, we had the Polkadot that everyone was going crazy for, currently drifted. It was 4th at one point. It's currently 13th at the moment. Lost a bit of price appreciation right there. And this is what things do. Like I've said to you so many times, you got to pay attention to the projects that have been around the block. And I have shown you this. A lot of these projects right now, in the top 10, in the top 20, in the top 30 even, probably won't even be here in the next bull run. Okay, so there's always different projects promising this and promising that, but one thing you have to pay attention to, in my opinion, is the top 3 dogs. Basically, you got your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Okay, and all 3 I'm bullish on long term, and that's why I do accumulate them long term as well. I'm not necessarily bothered about the price action day to day. Never have been, to be honest with you. I try and do my best for you, but one thing I'm showing you right now is exactly how strong XRP is in reply to you all saying that it's a scam coin, it's a shit coin. Why do I cover it? Because it is strong, and I do think that it's gearing up, basically, so, it would be better for you to have been in XRP from this time last year to this time today than it would have you to stuck in Bitcoin. Do you understand what I'm saying to you right now? But again, nothing is financial advice, and that's with XRP, with the kind of court case over it said as well. So yeah, it's standing strong, and I've always said that to you. I've always reminded you in each and every single video, and I've shown you updates as well, the historical snapshots from previous bull runs at peaks times, and I've shown you where XRP is always in that top 10 spot, so we can't ignore it. And those of you that are sort of paying attention to it, I'm not saying you're going to miss the boat, but it is a fantastic project, okay, because it's really good tech. But again, nothing to say is financial advice. So I do think that once the green lid, we get the green tick there on that XRP token just there from the SEC, I think it's going to be quite explosive, and I do think it's going to take a lot of sort of liquidity out of these other projects. These projects are going to sort of sell off into XRP, and I do potentially seeing it creeping it back into the top 3. I mean, even from here, the top 3 is a double. You're in the top 3, aren't you? So a $1.50 XRP price tag, slowly but surely, so this is why I do cover it, because I do think it's an opportunity going forward. But again, nothing to say is financial advice, so we'll have a quick look at the charts to see what we can see for XRP. Okay. So looking at XRP on the daily, you can see we're still caught in this horizontal at the moment. We've got a key level support down here. We've got this little wick outside today, but you know, it's still high low. I mean, look on the wicks as well. You're still holding an ascending level support at the moment. So you are kind of coiling up in the apex here. I think we've got until around about the 2nd of March, isn't it? We get really, really close to the apex. But what I'm looking at here potentially is some kind of A, B, C, D, E correction. Look like this. You've got some kind of A, a B, a C, a D, and an E correction right there. Points of contact, and you know, this could actually be the low right now. Now, is it coupling with the fact that Bitcoin is looking to low ball out right now and create a W bottom? If you check out the Bitcoin video today, then potentially, you know, this could actually be the low for XRP, and over the next sort of week here, we could start to pick up, attack this key level resistance just there, and if we do start to break out and hold on back test of support, we've got a beautiful little long in front of us up to that golden ratio right there, the 1618 extension, you know, off this impulsive low, and this correction just there that we're going through. You've retraced to this low, you've come down there, you've held it in a consolidation pattern, basically coiling up in a big horizontal, which is a bullish continuation pattern, holding the EMAs as well, which is, you know, signifies an uptrend, especially on the daily time frame. Broken out, you got overextended, you've coiling up with that, holding support, you start to break out, boom, you're up there, you know. Granted, you know, there's no guarantees. This is what I'm trying to say to you. There's absolutely zero guarantees here. This is why I always show you support and resistance. And right now, that's your support. If you start to see XRP roll out of this pattern, start to hit its head and come under the EMAs again, okay, then that's really bearish, you know. And you've basically topped out here. You're coming down for a deeper retracement. If you lose this low, down you go. You know, you're going to come down to 40 cents because that would be a technical target that you would be in off this low. This high, sorry, and this low. Your next impulsive target, losing this low, would be the minimal 1618 around about 40 cents. But is it doing it yet? No, because this is a bullish continuation pattern. And you know, look at the top 10. XRP still there. It was in there last year as well. It's still holding strong. You know, it's higher than it was a year ago. Where are we? A year ago, 21st of Feb, just there. You know, so just there. You know, you're up here, all this noise, but you're still holding on to a higher high than you were a year ago, basically. So that's basically XRP. You know, people think I'm overly bullish or this, that, or the other, and I'm some kind of moon boy, you know, but I'm just technical analysis. Whilst you're holding structure and support, you've got your low, you've got your higher low, okay? You've got your high, your lower highs, so you're compressing. You've got this price compression until you start to lose structure and support here, and you retain this sort of rolling that you're doing, and then potentially you've got some kind of big A, B, C correction on your cards for XRP, and you know, this wasn't a low, and this isn't going to give the opportunity to go forward to come up with some targets. You know, we're looking at some monster correction here for crypto, but for me to tell you that's a certainty, whilst you're structurally sound, coiling up inside some apex, again on the daily, and a larger one, you know, that you've been in since you topped out here last April, this potential wave 4 correction before an explosive wave 5 breakout, it's looking okay, isn't it? So that's basically XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay off, stay strong, but we do need to see the break, you know, and potentially this could be the bottom of this correction. You've got this kind of A, B, C, D, E, and you're looking to break out, hold and back test, you're looking at $1.04, and it could come quite quickly. Okay, so that's basically XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.